Clear skies for us, almost clear conditions. Live look from the Bob Mills Furniture Skyline weather camera in Temple. We're looking at a beautiful evening right now. We've got another frontal system coming through. I know it's August. We shouldn't be looking at cool fronts, but the upper level pattern continues to drag these little systems across the plains and down into our backyard. And as it does, we get a little bit of a break in temperatures, but it also increases our rain chances, which is also very rare for this time of the year. Plenty of moisture in place off the Gulf of Mexico flowing in ahead of this next frontal boundary, and we think timing on the system brings it in late in the weekend, setting up a stall out for us. This front's going to stall out right across the southern portions of central Texas, and likely will set up a couple of days of rain for us, perhaps even some very heavy rains. We'll talk more about that in a second. High today in Hewitt was 95 degrees. Our thanks to Kirk Krakowian. In Lampasas, Joe Spivey saw triple-digit heat. Surpassed in Salado by 103 degrees, and our thanks to Tom Breeden for his report. Weather watchers around central Texas on a daily basis here. Tonight we see temperatures falling off down into the 80s, and by morning we should be as cool as the mid-70s first thing in the morning. Partly cloudy skies, slight chance of a sprinkle here and there. Winds will be out of the southeast tonight around 5 miles an hour. Your Saturday, fair skies but very humid. High temperature reaches 96 degrees with a heat index of 104. A little shy of a heat advisory criteria, but still enough that you should exercise some caution if you're going to be out in this kind of heat. Slow down in your outdoor activities, and by all means stay hydrated. Drink plenty of fluids, particularly water, because alcohol and caffeines will just make your body work that much harder than you want it to be in that kind of heat. Forecast heat index for Waco 105 degrees, 97 in Temple, 97 in Marlin tomorrow afternoon. Looking at the low pressure out across West Texas right along the dry line. That just helps funnel that moisture back into our area. So the forecast is highs in the upper 90s to near 100 degrees just about statewide, except down on the Gulf Coast where we do see some pretty good rain and cloud cover in the forecast for the Houston, Galveston, Beaumont, Port Arthur area. Here's your Channel 6 7-day forecast where your weekend's always in view. Very hot tomorrow and Sunday. Windy conditions as well. Those winds increasing as much as 20 miles an hour. We haven't seen those kind of winds in a couple of weeks here. That's in response to that low pressure system coming our way. Should be in here Sunday evening, Monday morning, and that sets up widespread rain. You're going to go 80% chances of rain, thunderstorms, possibly some severe. I just think the biggest thing we need to worry about with this system coming in is going to be rainstorms that slow down and don't move very much, and that produces a lot of rain in isolated spots, so we could see some potential of some flooding across the region. Saturday night, final performance of the 25th season of Salado Legends at Table Rock. Hope you'll come out and join us for a great evening of entertainment.
Thanks, Andy.
Thanks.